Hey everyone, Fox here. So today I decided to try and make an entire Bedwars montage in just a single day. Great, right? Well, no. There are a couple of problems. First of all, I don't even know how to make a montage. And second of all, my AMD keys are broken, so sometimes when I press them, nothing's happening. So sometimes things like this are going to happen. Alright, before I start, I need to make some rules. The montage has to be at least 3 minutes long, the clips have to be somewhat good, and I need to do it all in 24 hours. Alright, let's go! I started this challenge on January 22nd at 11 am. So I started playing and oh my god, I never realized how hard it is to get a good clip. Like, before that I never paid attention to those clip-worthy moments, but right now I am spending hours playing so I can get a good clip. This was hell. So after like 3 or 4 hours of playing, I got around 12 clips, which was good and all, but then I got to thinking, how many clips should one montage have? So the next step is to find out how many clips I should have in my montage. So I have two options. So option number one is to see how long different clips are. For example, how long a block watch clip is or how long a team wipe clip is. And when I got the number, I can calculate the chance of one of those scenarios happening. And when I have the percentage, I can calculate the amount of different clips that I'm going to have by the end of it. Or I can just go on YouTube and watch some montages and just count the clips. So I watched a handful of montages, and in a 3-minute montage there are around 20 clips. That's cool, I can get 8 more in like 3 hours of playing. But then a problem occurred, and that problem was with the song I was planning to use. Originally I was planning to use Frame of Mind, but when I went to download it, it was 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Now that's way too long. In a 4-minute montage there are between 25 and 30 clips. I only have 12, and it took me 4 hours to get all of them. So if I use Frame of Mind, I have to spend another 5 or 6 hours just to get the rest of the clips. Yeah, that's not happening. So I had to change the song. And I chose Cradles. It's a good song for a montage and it's only 3.5 minutes long. Good, I have the song, now I just need the rest of the clips. So I decided to get some clips of me wiping a team in doubles and in fours. So I went to lobby 1 and I looked for a party. There it is. Come on dude, send me a party invite. Thank you. I have no idea how many games I played with this guy, but I only got one clip which was good enough. After that I went and played a bit of solo, and then I decided that I want a clip of me killing an entire team of 4 people. So I did the same thing. I went into lobby 1 and I started looking for a party. Now it took me some time to find a good party. I wanted the people to have gold prestige, so that took a while, but at the end of the day I found one. Believe it or not, in our first game I actually got a team wipe, but I wasn't recording. You can see that I'm on 1 heart and I have 4 final kills and there's only 1 dead team. That was the worst dude. But after a couple of games this happened. Yeah, I was happy with that, but I wanted some more clips of me block watching, so I kept playing fours, and then something unexpected happened. I wasn't expecting that, but hey, I'm not complaining. I played a bit more after that and I got the rest of the clips. Cool, now I have 25 clips. That's amazing. But so it's 1 am and I'm like so tired dude. I'm just gonna go to bed and edit this in the morning, whatever. I have like 10 more hours left of this challenge, so yeah, I'm going to bed. Yeah, I went to bed and I had to wake up at 8 am. On Sunday. It's safe to say that I didn't get much sleep that day. Alright, so it's 8:30 am. I have like 2.5 hours until this challenge finished. So yeah, I'm gonna spend all that time editing. Yeah, let's hope it turns out great. Let's hope so, like this montage literally made in one day. Alright, let's go enjoy this time lapse. Yep, and now it's just editing. Now when I'm looking at this, it's really satisfying. This took me like 2 hours to edit, and it's not that long because I kinda rushed it seeing that I only had 3 hours left, but at the end of the day the montage turned out really cool, and at some point when I reached the 2.5 minute mark, I started to worry that I was going to run out of clips, and even now I don't know if I have any clips left, but I'm going to guess that I don't have any. This challenge was really cool and I learned some new things. For example, getting a good clip is actually pretty hard. Also, this didn't take that long to export. I was guessing because it was filled with effects it was going to take like 1 or 2 hours, but that wasn't the case. It took like 20 minutes and that really surprised me. But whatever. Now I present to you the Cradles Montage. Please enjoy.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.